let me go over here, and I'm going to change my sweep rate to 150. Let me reset this. By changing to 150, stepping through the radio frequencies just a tiny bit slower. Right, so you like that, huh? Let's rewind you. That's better. This guy's got a little energy supporting you. And you sound very enthusiastic. Let's rewind again, because that was just so cool. Yeah, that's better. So let me pause for 1 sec. So I want to explain. So you see what I'm doing here. I'm sitting and I'm like, okay, I'm not getting very clear responses from Spirit. So you have tools in front of you, right? So I adjusted this a little bit, I tweaked that, I'm lowering the volume here, I'm increasing the high pass filter to elevate their sounds a little bit. I'm rewinding and changing the volume over here a little bit, which if you recall, I mentioned how that can change the threshold of the noise filter. And so what I did was I was at 110 milliseconds for sweep speed, I believe, and I changed it to 150. So I mentioned that I can change it in 20 millisecond increments, right? So just by making that little change, as I'm informing you what I'm doing, it made a big change, and spirits are acknowledging, that that's better.